What animal do you color? I color a turtle. The turtle is long. I color is cat. Cat is cute. And are beautiful animals. Bye bye. What animal do you color? Color dolphin. Dolphins are very smart. That's cool. I color a dog. Dogs are friendly animals. Bye. Hi friends. What animal do you color? I color panda. I color duck. My duck is yellow. I color butterfly. Duck, white, swimming. Butterfly have many colors. Bye bye. Friend, what animal do you color? I color is or very hard. I color a lion. That's good. I color butterfly. It is very colorful. Is butterfly are very beautiful and light. I like butterfly because they have many colors. Butterfly are very beautiful and what animal do you color? I color a rat. It has big claws. I color a rabbit. Wow. Giraffe is taller than